Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, I'll show you how to calculate running distance on Google Maps, step by step. If this guide helps you out, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. All right, let's jump right into it. Step 1. First, open the Google Play Store if you're on Android, or the App Store if you're on iOS. Search for Google Maps and make sure the app is updated to the latest version so that all features work smoothly. Step 2. Next, open Google Maps. Step 3. Now ensure your GPS is turned on for precise location tracking. This will make your measurements more accurate. Step 4. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner and from the menu select Settings. Step 5. In the Settings menu, tap on Distance Units. Choose your preferred unit, like kilometers or miles, to display your running distance. Step 6. Go back to the map view, then zoom in on the area where you want to start measuring your run. Step 7. Long tap on the starting point on the map. This will drop a marker at your starting location. Step 8. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and select Measure Distance. This option will allow you to trace your running route. Step 9. Now drag the measurement point along the path you plan to run. Extend it in the direction you want your route to go. Step 10. If your running route has turns or changes direction, tap the plus button in the bottom right to add a new point. This will let you adjust your path as you go. Step 11. As you add points, you'll see the total distance update in the bottom left corner of your screen. Keep adding points until you've mapped out your full route. And that's it. You now know how to calculate your running distance using Google Maps. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more updates.